The East German Rebellion of June 1953 was a pivotal moment in Cold War history, representing one of the earliest mass uprisings against Soviet-imposed communist regimes in Eastern Europe. Sparked by economic grievances and political repression, the revolt revealed deep dissatisfaction with Soviet control and communist rule, ultimately shaping the dynamics of Cold War opposition and repression. Background: post-war East Germany. Soviet occupation zone. After World War II, Germany was divided into occupation zones, with the Soviet Union controlling the East. Formation of the GDR. In 1949, the Soviet zone became the German Democratic Republic, GDR, a communist state aligned with Moscow. Economic hardships. The GDR faced economic challenges, including rapid industrialization goals, collectivization, and labor demands. Causes of the 1953 uprising. Increased work quotas. In June 1953, the East German government raised work quotas by 10%, effectively demanding more output for the same pay. Economic strain. Many workers struggled with low wages, poor living conditions, and shortages of consumer goods. Political repression. The ruling Socialist Unity Party, SED, maintained strict control with limited political freedoms and widespread surveillance. The uprising unfolds. Initial strikes. On June 16, 1953, construction workers in East Berlin protested the increased work quotas. Widespread demonstrations. By June 17, the protests spread to workers across East Germany, growing into a general strike demanding political reforms, free elections, and the resignation of the government. Violence and repression. Soviet troops and East German police violently suppressed the uprising, arresting thousands. Soviet intervention. Military suppression. The Soviet Red Army deployed tanks and troops to crush the rebellion. Show of force. The harsh response demonstrated Moscow's commitment to maintaining control over its satellite states. Propaganda battle. Both sides used media to shape narratives. East German officials blamed Western provocateurs. Aftermath and significance. Short-term defeat. The uprising was crushed, but it exposed vulnerabilities in Soviet control. Impact on the West. The revolt intensified Cold War propaganda on both sides, with the West condemning Soviet oppression. Long-term effects. The rebellion highlighted the need for the East German government to balance control with some concessions to avoid future unrest. Symbol of resistance. June 17 became a symbol of anti-communist resistance in Germany, commemorated in West Germany for decades. Foreshadowing future upheavals. The 1953 uprising set a precedent for later revolts, including Hungary, 1956, and Prague, 1968. Cold War lessons. It reinforced the reality that Soviet dominance in Eastern Europe was maintained by force.